In this video, I will show you how to replace the LED brake light on the rear spoiler of this 4th generation Kia Sportage. If your high-mounted brake light is dim, flickering, or completely out, replacing it might fix the issue. To replace the brake light, you will have to remove the rear spoiler first. Open the liftgate and remove the center upper trim panel to access the mounting nuts holding the spoiler in place. Use a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the plastic panel. There are a total of 8 mounting nuts that you will have to remove. 4 of them are under the plastic panel that you removed, and the other 4 are on the sides of the liftgate. Take off the small round covers to access the nuts. Before removing the nuts, disconnect the electrical connector for the stop light. Press the release tab on the side and gently pull it apart. Also, disconnect the hose for the washer nozzle. Now grab a 10mm socket and carefully loosen and remove all the mounting nuts. After removing the nuts, close the liftgate and gently lift the spoiler away from the liftgate. If you notice resistance near the rubber grommet, that's because there's a small amount of adhesive securing the area. Just keep wiggling the spoiler back and forth while gradually pulling it upward. The adhesive will slowly release. Once the spoiler is loose, carefully lift it off the vehicle and place it on a soft surface to prevent scratching or damaging the paint. This is the wiring harness for the brake light. And if you look inside the spoiler, you will see the light secured in place by 3 black screws. First, remove the rubber grommet from the spoiler. Then disconnect the hose for the washer nozzle. The wiring harness cannot be removed from the rubber grommet. So instead of separating it, you will have to replace the entire rubber grommet along with the brake light. The OEM replacement will come with the new rubber grommet. Detach the mounting clip on the wiring harness. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, loosen and remove the 3 black screws on the brake light assembly. Then gently pull the brake light out from the spoiler. Here is a close-up of the high-mounted brake light. This is the part number. Take your new LED brake light and slide it back into the spoiler. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the brake light is flush with the surrounding trims. Reattach the mounting clip on the wiring harness. Reconnect the hose for the rear washer to the rubber grommet. Then reinstall the rubber grommet back into the spoiler. Make sure it is fully inside the hole and is not loose. Now that we have replaced the brake light, it's time to reinstall the spoiler back onto the liftgate. Before reinstalling the spoiler, clean the mounting area on the liftgate with a damp cloth. Now carefully align the mounting studs on the spoiler with the mounting holes on the liftgate. Insert the wiring harness and the washer hose back into the hole on the liftgate, making sure the spoiler sits properly in place and is flush with the surrounding panels. Once the spoiler is in position, open the liftgate and reinstall the mounting nuts. Avoid over-tightening as this could damage the spoiler or mounting points. If you have a torque wrench, tighten the nuts to 5.9 to 6.4 Nm or 4.3 to 4.7 pound-feet. Now reconnect the brake light wiring harness. Make sure it clicks into place to ensure a proper connection. Reconnect the hose for the washer nozzle. Don't forget to reinstall these small round covers back onto the liftgate. Finally, reinstall the entire trim panel. Line it up with the mounting points and press it firmly until all the clips snap back into place. Close the liftgate and test the new high-mounted brake light by pressing the brake pedal. If it lights up properly, you're all set. And that's how you replace the LED brake light on the rear spoiler of a Kia Sportage. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to EasyJoin for more DIY car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.